All right, guys, we got an awesome product here from ESR, Tech Made Easier. So I think it's super important. This is our hybrid case. It's their HaloLock Classic series that we're going to be looking at. It has a strong 1500 GF magnet lock, has raised screen protection, which I'll show that in a minute, and it is compatible for MagSafe accessories. So let's go ahead and crack it open here so you can see what we are working with. Now, I am a sucker for a nice case. So having something that I replace for my iPhone, now they come in different sizes, whether it's a 16, 16 Pro, 17, 17 Pro, 17 Max. Let's go ahead and take off my standard case here. So as you can see, we got the iPhone right here, a regular MagSafe case right here, and we're going to replace it with this hybrid case from them. So on the inside, you do get some details, tells you about them. The MagSafe aspect, their full power. You got a little bit detail here as far as easy replacement with no return needed. So if it is damaged, you definitely want to keep this, and that's super important. And then last but not least, we got the case itself. So here you go. This is their actual case. So let's go ahead and compare it to another case option. Definitely proper sizing, no issues with that. It is a little bit on the flimsy side, but it's not as heavy. And I kind of like that. I like the clear aspect. You do have a little more protruding of a camera guard there. So that is super cool from a protection, because you know how expensive it is to protect the cameras on these bad boys. So let's go ahead and pop this in here. Should be fairly simple. And just like that, the case is on. It's clean, right? It is super clean. So you can see the details on the side, Tech Made Easier. And I will highlight, I do like this extra function right here on the side. I like that is not open, whereas this case has an open aspect. So really nice. You have buttons that are going to be covering each piece. So you're not getting a real button. You have a button that's raised on it, so it will protect it there. And then I also like the raised aspect around the camera. So it is just slightly above the camera, giving that extra protection that you need. But clear case overall. You can see it, show off that iPhone color, whatever you have. You definitely got to check these guys out. This is nice in comparison to this other case. I'm definitely digging it. Check it out.